Jotelo mawuok e gwenge mag nyandwat mar ho mar okak osiro lwedo dwaro ma jatend piny William Ruto mar chung kendo e tielo mar ariyo yiero mabiro ka gisiemo tije mopogore magiwacho ni jatend piny osetimo mosekelo lokruok e ngima jopiny. Ka giloso e nyasi mar ringo higni 60 nyaka ne chak skund sekondar ma Wajir, jotelo go ne okwedo kweth maketo piny owacho tesre ka giwacho ni jotelo onego ket chenro mag dongruok ne jopiny nyime kendo gikwayo oganda jo Kenya mondo oriwre kanyakla.
President, you took an oath. President Moi handed over to President Kibaki a united, peaceful, stable nation. Kibaki handed over to Uhuru a peaceful, stable nation. Uhuru handed over to you, President Ruto, a peaceful and a stable nation. You must implement the oath you took in Kasarani.
Waziri, moving on to matters Shah, clearly you have given the necessary political leadership that was required in the Ministry of Health to move things forward. And it's good to have people in offices who do what they say. And speaking on behalf of all governors of Kenya as chair of council, you have my support, you have my assurance that we will work with you to ensure that SHA succeeds for the benefit of the average Kenyan.
Tusiwahi kubali, tusishawishiwe, tusiende upande ya wale watu ambao wanataka kuharibu hii nchi.
Yesterday I have seen a tweet from Eugene Wamalwa saying that the President of the Republic of Kenya have decided to register 3 million Somali refugees to steal elections. I want to tell him categorically, we are not against all refugees in this country. Any Somali who has an ID has a right to be here. He was born here and brought up here.